Hello from Universal's Islands of Adventure. Today I wanted to give you a brief video on everything that I packed in my park bag so you know what essentials you should pack for your day. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I wanted to talk about is the park bag that I decided to use today. This is just a standard Loungefly backpack that is a pin trading one, so you can get pins to put in the front. Honestly, this one might be a little bit big to go into the ride lockers. That's one thing you'll want to think about whenever you're planning your park bag for Universal is most of the rides require you to use lockers when you're riding, and this one might be a little bit thick for the free ones. Usually Loungefly backpacks that don't have the front pockets fit nice on the inside. I also like using the North Face field bag and the Freshly Picked park pack. Those fit perfect in the ride lockers, and sometimes you can even take them on the rides with you. But starting off, the first thing I always bring is a water bottle. This is just one that you can refill, but I like bringing one so that way you have water on hand with you. You can buy it here, of course, in the park, but I like just having a water bottle because there's tons of the Coca-Cola Freestyle machines that you can refill your water throughout the day. And I like it because it helps you save money and stay hydrated, because you definitely want to keep up on your hydration whenever you're here in the park. It gets so hot. Another thing going along with that are some more hydration essentials. I like packing some electrolyte packets and also some flavoring packets. I know some people have an issue with the water whenever they come here to Universal, so I usually like packing at least one packet of liquid IV. It helps with the flavor, and I also like the hydration boost that it has to it. And another thing I recently tried, I liked using this at Epic Universe. This is a Stir electrolyte liquid drink. I really liked the taste that it had for it, and I did think it really helped me during the day because it gets so hot and it's nice to replenish. So I would recommend getting either a liquid or some type of powder hydration to just add to your park bag. Going along with the heat, it gets so hot outside, and a lot of times you're walking around the park, you're in the sun, or you're in line for a ride and it might not be as shaded. Having a portable fan is really nice as well. I like this one because it's like small and pocket size. It has two different settings, but also whenever you turn it off, the fan blades just go in, and it's very compact and it fits really nice inside of a park bag. Another thing that I added this trip for Epic Universe, since there's not a lot of shade, is a solar umbrella. I like having the solar umbrella because it's perfect whenever you're standing in line and there's no shade around, or if it does rain, it does double as a regular umbrella, so that's perfect to have during the summertime whenever it's going to rain a lot. One thing I like packing are Band-Aids. You never know if you're going to get a blister or if you'll fall on accident. They do have like first aid centers here that you can get Band-Aids at, but it's just nice having one on hand so you don't have to worry about running to the other side of the park trying to find a Band-Aid. So I always pack ones just in case in my park bag. Another thing, as far as the sun goes, you'll want to make sure that you are applying sunscreen before you get to the parks. And then I also recommend bringing a little portable sunscreen that you can reapply throughout the day. I like having this because it's so hot, you don't know if you'll sweat off your sunscreen or if it just gets so warm you don't want to burn, and then especially on the first day of your trip, you don't want to burn and then be miserable the rest of it. So I just got this little one from Target, and it obviously fits really nice in the park bag. It's travel friendly, and it's nice because it doesn't take up too much space, but it's nice to reapply throughout the day. Another thing that you can actually pack are snacks for your day here at Universal. I like having these. Of course, there's tons of things that you can try inside of the park. I like having little snacks. Sometimes having breakfast bars are nice to get your day started. If you want to pack fruit or anything, you can get that as well. You can buy snacks in your hotel and at some of the locations here in the parks, but I just like having them on hand. Maybe if you're in line for a ride or just walking around, it's nice to recharge and have a nice snack for the day. Of course, you'll want to have a good pair of sunglasses. These are polarized ones that I got on TikTok Shop, but I liked these, and it doesn't really matter what sunglasses you wear. I like wearing these ones because they were really comfortable, but I do recommend sunglasses because, as you know, we are in Florida here. It is super sunny, and it's nice to just have them to block out the sun. Going along with that is maybe a hat. I don't usually wear hats to the parks, but I do like it for Universal to shade your face. I found that that's really nice to have, and it also helps with your scalp so your scalp doesn't burn. So if you are someone that likes wearing hats, I would recommend bringing one to Universal. I also love bringing a chapstick. I like having one that has an SPF in it. I don't think that this one does in particular, but I found that having an SPF lip balm or a chapstick is really nice to have. Of course, you'll want to bring your wallet so that way you can get into the park, you can hold your hotel keys, and you can have some money to buy snacks and merch in the park. I usually just bring this little card holder wallet. I like it because it doesn't, again, take up too much space in your park bag. It holds all the cards that you need. You can put cash in the center as well. But yeah, like I said, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's just nice because it holds all the keys that you need. I love having hand sanitizer in the parks. Of course, you're getting on and off rides, you're touching a lot of things and you might not be able to get to the bathroom if you are looking to eat or just freshen up. So I like having some hand sanitizer in case your hands get sticky or germy. This one from Bath & Body Works is what I've used, or I've used the Touchland hand sanitizer a lot in the past. I love the Touchland one because it's a nice mist that goes on your hands. It covers it well, but it doesn't feel like overly sticky or hand sanitizer like the typical hand sanitizers are kind of sticky, but this one's been nice and I do recommend the Touchland as well. Lastly, I cannot recommend enough a portable charger. You're going to be on your phone a lot because they don't have the physical park maps anymore. They only have the app map that you can look at. So I would recommend bringing a portable charger, and I really like the ones that have all the cords in them. Before, I would use the fuel rods, which I still recommend, not necessarily here at Universal because you do have to pay to swap them if you want to get one that is refilled. But I like having this one because all you do is you just plug it into an outlet. It charges the portable charger. I usually do it every night. I just get it all charged up for the next day. But it has the lightning cable, the USB-C, and on the back it has whatever this charging cord is, and I use this in the park all the time. I use it to charge my camera, I use it to charge my phone, my microphone. There's so many things I charge in a day here at the parks, and I really like having it. It doesn't take up too much space in the park bag, but it is a huge essential when you come here to the theme parks, so that way you always have your mobile device. And that is everything that I pack in my Universal park bag. I love bringing a backpack with me. It's a little bit different here at Universal because they do have the lockers. You have to use either the locker system, or if you have just like a fanny pack, sometimes you can take that on the rides with you. These are all the things that keep me comfortable, help me save money and time whenever I am here at Universal, and recommend all these things to add to your park bag. Let me know if you're visiting Universal soon. What kind of park bag do you like to use, or what do you plan on bringing? If you're looking to plan a trip or have no idea where to start, I can share some tips videos here when it comes to going to Universal Orlando. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys.